A very pleasant morning, students. I hope everything is going on very well and you are also very well. So, today's lecture will be present continuous, sentence building, and part 2. Last video lecture we have discussed about present continuous sentence building, positive and negative. Okay, but today we will discuss about interrogative and negative. So before entering to this video class, I would like to request you, if newly anyone is watching, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon also. So let's move. Okay. So without wasting our time, we should go to our main theme. Okay. Now, again, I would like to tell you present continuous sentence building. Okay. So in this sentence, we will discuss that first of all interrogative. Okay, so you know that what are the helping verbs are required for making of present continuous. Okay, there is no need to remind you about the helping verb. So if you have not watched the previous video, so please you watched the previous video also. So there is a chain, okay, of videos, okay, especially whenever you are being taught about grammar, so you don't miss any part. If you miss any part, that means it will be make you trouble to understand the main concept, and you will be not able to understand. So that is why one by one the videos are uploading, and you have to continue that, you have to follow that, you have to watch. Okay, so if you missed, so just take a time, friends. We are looking or seeing by movies or something comedy. We are wasting a lot of time. But why don't you use for the education purpose? So that should be good if you will watch educational videos. Okay, so I'm not here for delivering any lecture like Swami Vivekananda or Swami Dayananda Saraswati or some other. Okay, so just I'm advising you. Okay, so let me write to you. So first what we do? First we should see helping verb. Okay, what are the helping verb? Is, am, and are. All are the helping verb. Okay, all are the helping verb. So then after we take a subject, after then we take verb 1 and ing. Okay, then after we can put their object or complement. Object, complement, adverbial, everything. Actually, when we will make unstumble word to make a meaningful sentence, that topic when I will teach you, then I will clarify you more than tense, that how we can make sentences, especially what is subject, what is predicate, what is verb, what is adjective, what is adverb, what is preposition. Everything we will discuss one by one. After whom we will put, okay, one after one we will discuss that when we will make arrange jumble words into making into correct sentence. So that will be after my that tense, direct, indirect, active, passive, voice, preposition after completing of certain chapters. I am going to discuss you for that, and also we will have those who are studying 10th class, so we will have also exam preparation. Okay, that's also very important. What things will come from grammar and how we can prepare ourselves and how we can put there. How we can make a clear and confident grammar skill. Everything we will discuss. Okay, so let us discuss about this present continuous sentence building. So first of all, we have put here helping verb. Remember, if there is any positive sentence, so you have to take the helping verb from the line to first place. Okay, so here are some sentences I am writing for you. Am I playing cricket? Am I playing cricket? Am I playing cricket? Finally, you have to put here question mark. Okay, so don't forget to put question mark. Don't forget to write question mark. Are you writing? Are you writing a novel? Are you writing a novel? Are they taking breakfast? Are they taking breakfast? Is the teacher is teaching? Okay, is the teacher is teaching? Number of sentence I can write for you. Okay, so are the cows grazing in the field? Okay, is the cat drinking milk? Okay, so this is the example and the sentences. Remember one thing, when you put WH word, interrogative sentence with the WH word. Okay, what is WH word? WH word. Okay, WH word. What is what? where, why, okay, why, how, etc. etc. Okay, so that's very important. So when we put WH word, when we put WH word, that should be before helping verb. Before helping verb. Okay, that should be before helping verb. That is very important. We need to understand it, and we need to remind it in our mind. Now we see that how we can put. Okay, first of all we see the structure. Okay, first of all we see the structure. WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus verb 1 ing plus object. Okay, plus object. So I will write here who is standing at the gate. Who is standing at the gate? So, who is standing at the gate? Who? This is WH word. It is helping verb, and standing. This is main verb. At the gate. This is prepositional. Okay. So what are you doing? Where are you going? Okay, where are you going? What are they saying? What are they saying? Okay, all these things are WH word plus helping verb. And according to this way also, we can make questioning sentence is called interrogative sentence. Now we will make interrogative negative. Okay, interrogative negative. So when we make interrogative negative, so it is important not is not always in third place. Okay, that may be interrogative, that may be interrogative negative, or that may be interrogative. But you there is a little bit confusion, but I will clear you that confusion. You have to clear the confusion. Okay, so you have to clear the confusion. What will be the confusion? I will tell you. So okay, let's begin. As we make interrogative sentence, okay, like the same way we will write interrogative negative also, but in between, in third place, not will be required. The negative sign not, that will be required. Are they, this is third place, not, are they not worshipping you may see that it is helping verb, okay, then it is subject, okay, it is negative, or verb ing, verb 1 ing. Are you, come here, not watching TV now? Okay. Are they is she not dancing on the stage? Okay, so this is, and when we put here interrogative negative, that is also same. WH word, that is also same, but here it's little bit different. Okay, where not, why are you not taking breakfast? Okay, why are you not taking breakfast? Remember, when WH word, that will be considered one. Okay, so in this way, not is always in third place. You don't think that it is fourth place. You don't think that it is fourth place. They are in the same sense. That is why we can consider it one word, and after rest of sentence, you is independent, then taking and breakfast all are independent. So in this way, independent words. In this way, it is we can join together them, and rest are be leave it as independent word. So in this way, you have to make, है ना? Why are you not studying properly? Okay, why are you not studying properly? Okay, in this way, we have to make present indefinite at the same time, present continuous interrogative and interrogative negative. Interrogative and interrogative negative. I explained to you with the WH word also. I hope you have understood it very clearly. And for today, this is enough. And next time, we will discuss about present perfect. Okay? Thank you. May God bless you.